Hello, people of the internet. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I will be going over the top 5 Fortnite YouTubers who've sworn. Number 4. Some random Indian tech support scammer that I've caught on camera swearing. I had to cut out this part of the video, but you might remember it as getting scammed or something along those lines. I will play the clip right now.
So, do you want V-Bucks as payment?
No. I want your money.
Oh, come on, man. No, I don't have real money. I spent all of it on Fortnite.
No. We only accept Robux.
Sorry, but I spent all my Robux on V-Bucks.
Number 3. AliA. AliA was a very famous YouTuber, but not anymore. The reason for this is because I stole all of his viewers. But I will show you the clip of him swearing, which was deleted 57 seconds after he uploaded it to YouTube.
Hey guys, this is AliA and I love swearing!
Number 2. Spying Monkey 196. You might recognize Spying Monkey 196 as the person that participates in at least half my videos, but you might not know that he has sworn before. He has sworn in the chunk defense video, and I will play the clip right now.
You should definitely go look at
Number -1. Ninja. Ninja was notorious for swearing back in the day. In this clip, he wishes he could delete.
The f say to me, you little.
Number 5. Master Gamer Jmo. Not many people know this YouTuber at all, but I happen to know him. He has never sworn in a video before up until this point. He deleted this video after approximately 55.2181520 seconds, and this clip will be played right now. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be playing some Fortnite! Yeah! Number 1. Wait a minute, I ran out of ideas. What should I do? Oh! Okay, well I guess I got it. I just sworn, so that can go towards the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you could share this video out to people, it would really help me out a lot. If you guys want me to do another one of these videos, smash that like button and subscribe if you are new. See you guys next time. Goodbye!